This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right tools. Install the mod or CC that adds drug items and make sure it matches your Sims 4 version. Create a small, private lot and place the sim you'll test on. Turn autonomy down so actions stay predictable. Once done, save and duplicate the household into a backup slot. That protects your main game. You'll avoid crashes and unwanted behavior this way, and it lets you experiment without corrupting progress. Next, acquire the in-game drug item through the mod menu, debug spawn, or a specific retailer added by CC. You tell the sim to use the item and observe the animation and moodlets to understand immediate effects. Make sure to monitor needs like energy and hygiene and keep an eye on inventory for repeats. As you go, note relationship changes and behavioral shifts so you learn each item's mechanics. Finish by managing consequences. Monitor long-term moodlets and any addiction mechanics the mod introduces because they affect careers and relationships over time. You can reverse effects using the mod's rehab tools, removing items, or reverting to your backup save. Choose restorative actions based on how much progress you want to keep. If things glitch, stuck animations, broken interactions, clear the Sims 4 cache, remove conflicting CC, and reload the backup. That troubleshooting path resolves most issues while preserving your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.